Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech Guy, and as you know, every day I'm back with something great. So today, as you know, your number one telecommunication network in Ghana, that's Vodafone. Vodafone has decided to bring its customers, that's the hybrid customers, with some package. That's the Xmas promo, and this bundle is you get 11 gig for 11 cities for 11 days. This is a triple threat. So you get 11 cities for 11 gig. 11 gig for 11 cities for 11 days. So all that you have to do is just top up and dial star 5959 hash. Star 5959 hash. Okay. Star 5959 hash. Then you realize there's a lot of options in here. We have buy data, ignite bundles, check 4G status, pay as you go, data bundle share, 2 more share. We are interested in the 7th one, that's the Christmas promo. So you select Christmas promo. Then you select 1. So you have to subscribe. So Santa offer. So Santa is giving us this offer for 11 gig, for 11 cities, for 11 days. It is an amazing offer. If you compare this to the other network, the yellow network, that's the yellow network, you realize the yellow network will give you 3 CDs for 450 MB plus some 50% bonus if you are using 4G, if you're on a 4G network. But Vodafone is bringing it hybrid customers with this offer. This 11 gig for 11 cities for 11 days. So all that you have to do is just click on subscribe. Oh, okay, so let's try it again. Okay, it couldn't process. So just that star 5959 hash. You select 7 Christmas promo and you select 1 subscribe. So Santa has awarded us with 11 gig of data for 11 cities and for 11 days. So meaning this Christmas I will enjoy it. Meaning you have to use 1 gig every day. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give the like. Actually, it's Christmas time. Hit the subscribe button and give the like. But if you don't hit, either you did, you just hit the subscribe button and give a like. Hit the subscribe button and give a like. So that's it. Enjoy it. Okay. See you next time. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all.